Ma'am, mangutana ta nami kang Kitty if you have plans to celebrate your birthday together with the Filipino community here or you already have plans?
Yeah. After the visit.
May visit kasi tapos may gamay mi din. Nami visit tama. Okay. Doon lang mi kadiyot.
On her birthday itself?
Yes, we can stop by.
Okay.
Gamay
After
lang.
the visit.
So that we
Mahal
can...
mo kayo maghanap.
Dili kay pwede. Kabalo biya ka ma'am, ang mga kababayan nato. Mag-KKB lang ma'am. Just like what we did to your father's, with your father's
We
birthday.
can after the visit.
Yeah.
For sure, after the visit.
And that's on Thursday, no?
Vivian.
Yeah, April 10.
April 10, yeah.
Yes.
That's right. Because we're also thinking of holding a on the 11th of April marks the first month of your father's detention. So we want to offer prayers. We're going to gather dito sa mismo ICC mismo, ma'am. Gabiin na siya.
Agabi.
Oh, from
Sige mga tuta na.
Yeah.
thank you. It would be nice kung
Yes.
naamo dito ang ma'am.
Dili.
Dito mismo sa ICC. We already secured the permit, so that would be nice. We also invited some people to talk and to share stories as well with regards to your father.
Ma'am, kumusta ho si President?
Okay na.
Nakapag-adjust na po ba siya?
Okay siya. Sabi niya nakaano na daw siya.
Adjusting better.
Nakaano na daw siya sa pagkain.
Anong pinaka-namimiss pa rin po niya?
Family kay pagka magdetalya na sa family parang masakitan siya. Gusto niya yung kami nag-visit kami lang. Ayan magdetalya na si ganito na apo mga ganito. So but we keep on telling him that we are here. Ingon ba ako ha? Suportan din.
Support you hanggang sa dulo, ma'am.
Dito lang po kami.
Gyud ta mo undang, ma'am. Mao gyud na siya. Correct, ma'am.
Ina na ko, God will make a way.
Exactly. Amen, ma'am.
God will make a way.
Unsa pinaka-na-miss ni former President, ma'am, sa Pilipinas?
Pilipinas.
Pilipinas
In general na.
In general.
Yung kwarto, syempre, di ba? Pero, you know what? Wala. But, yun ang mga, they've been so kind, diha ba? I think, kung mausa ni presidente na siya diha.
Bakit po? Bakit?
Kay the people, you know, the mga guards has been assuring me, do not worry, we are taking good care of him. Ano ba? Paano maging siya? Even during the time na, during sa Villamoy, di ba? Kami, we were so, I asked him nga how do you feel? Are you angry? He said no.
Oh.
Ano siya na, kaya yung mga gumawa sa kanya nito,
Gabaan ra na, ma'am.
impyerno kayo. Because you know, wala siyang kami pa may masakit yung ako pa sabi ko sa kanya, pero sabi niya no. Yun ang ano ba, maano talaga siya ng tao. Kilala niyo naging presidente.
Yes, ma'am. Exactly, ma'am.
Tsaka ano ba, yung all he cared for was about his country and about his countrymen. Alam niyo yan.
There's no doubt, ma'am. There's no doubt.
Kaya that's why nga ako to be honest with you, mangutana ko sa Ginoo ko nga naman Lord ko up to now I'm still daghang ko question mark. So buti sa anak ko naging tarantado, magnanakaw, diba?
Greedy yung kabila, ma'am. Greedy.
Di ba? Wala tinarong wala may wala nag-abuso katong time na kuan ka, wala na, there was no air about him na presidente siya. That was my prayer po before ba na Lord help me to remain humble. And then same po sa iya na kita niyo man magkasta. Wala siyang air na.
Na ba siya message, ma'am?
Actually, this one is win-win ni sa iyaha Nakita niya naman. Ang kala nila yun ang that will put him down. Kamali sila. Wrong move.
Nagsisimula pa lang po.
Nagsisimula.
Dapat
Kaya
siya-
lang kailangan ito talaga tapusin talaga natin.
Ay, nandito lang po kami, madam.
Meron ba siyang message, ma'am, sa
Yes,
mga
sir,
kababayan?
he has a
Ayun,
message for...
sinabi
So,
niya.
sabi niya, mabuhay ang Pilipinas and mabuhay ang Pilipino. So, again, he wants to extend his gratitude to all of you here, and sabi
support.
niya that he is
Alam.
willing to make that sacrifice. So,
Yes,
Sacrifice will not be.
We will extend our gratitude as well, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
thank you.
We
Thank
So
you,
ano
sir.
talaga?
take note of his
Means
sacrifice.
this is the sacrifice for all of you to know what's really happening.
Yeah.
He sacrificed
Yun ang
more
ano.
than us.
Yeah.
So,
I will, ma'am.
Exactly.
He knows. He's very happy to know na you're still here outside.
Hanggang sa dulo.
Every time we visit, he thinks na no one's outside anymore. But I do assure him that no, there's still people outside. And I told him na
ibang tao yan.
medyo madami kayo. So,
Ma'am,
From different parts of
I
the world.
told him that also. So thank you so much.
Dayon, tapadayon. Para sa kaugmaon.
ma'am,
Unsa yung reaction ni former President, ma'am, na gilabel na siya na Duterte Park?
Oh, nakatawa siya. Siya ka lang sa gawas, gig pangalan nila Duterte pa. Tapos akong giina na every time na there are gatherings here outside, di ba, ginasabihan niya ang mga police na we want our president home. So yung mga police, we also want him home. Kaya sa bukan.
Exactly. That is true, ma'am. Yeah, yung gid ang police bitaw ana. Yung gid sila.
ma'am, paano ho pinaghahandaan ng family? Kasi malaki na ho yung gastos din po ninyo sa pagbiyahe-biyahe. Tapos mga foreigner po yung mga lawyers po natin.
Eh, ganun talaga. Kaya sinabi ko nga paghahandaan namin kahit na mangutang kami, gagawin namin. Because we told him we are going to support him all through. Yun ang ano.
Hindi po kayo
Baka
hingi ng...
kasi marami kasing nagkunwari ba? So,
Ah,
beware lang kayo.
correct,
Yun
ma'am.
lang ano ko.
Tulong tayo sa eleksyon.
Okay man lang yung mga friends namin na nag-support. Meron man kami mga friends na nag-support. Pero yun lang, baka mabudol mo ba?
Yeah, exactly, ma'am.
Pabudol.
Ayaw mo pabudol.
Oh, ma'am,
Ayaw mo
hindi kayo hingi ng legal aid ba sa ICC? Para at least makabawas lang.
Basta when it comes to legal,
What's her name?
Si attorney.
we leave it to, sorry.
Attorney
We leave it
Kaufman.
to
Hi, Shanta.
the Vice
Nice to
President.
meet
Kay
you.
Ah,
siya
okay.
may lawyer. So,
Ikaw lang kung gamot, ma'am. Pasensya.
Tama.
siya.
I'm pretty sure, ma'am, that the former president is also looking forward as also ang mga kababayan nato sa mga Davaoenos, look forward yun nila na i-welcome ang atong soon to be mayor of Davao. Is he excited about the
Yes,
idea, ma'am?
he's looking forward to that. I think they're arranging something para ano. I just don't want to talk about it.
Okay.
Ay, di man po ako eh. So,
Kumusta yung pag-stay din?
okay lang. Adjusting me sa food. Medyo na-diet me. One day, one eat ra. Aluwi ko sa akong anak ko, one day, one eat.
Ah,
Kay-
mayat yun ko, sir.
Nice na lang.
Ay, thank you.
Hindi sanay sa bread.
Yeah,
Hindi,
Sa mga pagkagwapa nun.
bitaw.
No. Ma'am, sabi niyo po kanina parang kayo pa yung medyo nagagalit. Pero si PRRD parang mas nagpapatawad pa siya.
Calm and collected
Calm
as
and-
always.
Yung
Has
lahat ng
been-
ginawa sa kanya na yon.
very presidentiable talaga siya. Kaya ano yung actually it went beyond yung gusto nila, sabi nga niya na yung opponent niya has wala na talaga. Down. Zero politically wala na. Kasi nagkamali nga sila eh. It made him, I told him, you know, you're more popular now than when you were president.
Yeah. Ma'am.
Diba?
That's correct, ma'am.
You made that world record of worldwide celebration ng birthday mo.
Dapat nasa Guinness
Most
na yun.
popular
So-
detainees in ICC all over the world.
So yung mga mga tawag nito, yung mga, sabi ko sa kanya, mga tao dyan, nandyan, nakasuporta pa rin sa iyo.
Thank you so much.
Minsahe ma'am sa mga taong padayon nga nagsuporta, dili lang diri sa Duterte Park, dili sa Tuto Kalibutan.
Maghimo taog kuan, maghimo taog collective prayers tanan ta. Kabalud gyud ko, God is listening. He knows.
Yes, ma'am.
Akala nila matago nila for a long time. You know, the Kabalumanta, the people knows.
Yeah.
When he was president, alam mo, sabihin ko sa inyo, ito alam man yan, yung, di ba, yung PGH, di ba? They were told, siya presidente, they will do, okay, we will give you 100 billion something budget. So the people there at PGH, yung mga director dyan, akala nila na one time lang yon. Alam niyo ba yon? Monthly yon until natapos siya pagka-presidente. So nakita niyo yung dali na maguro mo kalimot. Pero ako
Hindi mo makalimot ni PRRD.
Ako masakitan ko kay, I know his sacrifices ba nga to the extent na malimtan niya, ma-disregard ang family. Every time he talks about, panghadlok naman na iyaha. Di ba? Panghadlok niya pag
Love, tatay, mama.
love ba?
Kung galing yung
Ano ba?
tatay
Di ba?
ba?
Kita, tatay, nanay, di ba? Manghadlok man ka.
Sinod.
Pauna akong bakos.
Oo.
Silip So, when he was president, ingana na naiyaha, pasuko-suko na naiyaha. So, what happens siya pasuko-suko? Nalimpyo tong ugaw kayong Pasig diyan sa taga Manila.
I like your name, Chantel. How old are
Pasig
you?
River. Di ba? Nalimpyo. Tapos, tanan na.
I like your
Suki lang
eyes.
siya, something na, but everything is, wala gina siya eh. All I can tell you, wala gito siya personally. So nagkamali gid kayo na to those who are thinking na ito mga oligarch nagkaroon, at least nagkaroon tayo ng presidente na hindi nagkaroon ng personal interest. He did not think about, magbulsa siya ng enriching himself while he's there. He never, not one single pag-isipan na gano'n. Ang sa kanya talaga is, he took his oath seriously na ginawa niya ang lahat
You know
para
you're
sa
the same age as my sister.
So,
She's 6 years old
sometimes
as well.
ako pa ang kay, siyempre kabalo ko
She's very beautiful.
hindi nyo
just
alam
like
yung
you.
during pandemic, sakripisyo niya. He doesn't want to he doesn't want the people to know, to be scared
We'll pray
na,
together.
ay, walang leader, walang namumuno.
You have lipstick.
Yung lahat ng mga nandun, mga
I like
PSG
yours
niya,
because I have
mga
lipstick
whatever
on.
protocol,
I think pink suits you very well.
they've been telling him not to conduct
Yeah, I know.
cabinet meetings,
He's
pero
very
siya
pretty.
wala sa kanya, so be it.
Are you here
when
for long?
when it happened, that incident in Marawi, sabi
It's
ko
good
di
that
maka
you're here. Can
di
you
maka
handle the
mulupad.
weather?
Mulupad yun siya. He was there for the
Just fine?
soldiers.
You're
Pero
doing
unsay
fine?
gibuhat sa mga sundalo.
Pag nagkakwentuhan po kayo, ma'am, ni PRRD, anong mensahe niya sa mga gumawa nito sa kanya?
Thank you.
Alam mo, I will just let God do the revenge for us. Diyos, hindi nila maano yan. Hanggang apo yan nila. Hanggang apo ng apo nila. Hanggang doon ang nila. Hanggang doon ang parusa ng Diyos. So, Diyos nang bahala sa kanila. Hindi nila matakasan yan. This one will be the start of, you will know. Nakita niyo naman, miski na sa Senate, di ba? Nakita niyo naman. They will never be given the chance by the Filipino people. Tsaka, Diyos yan.
Manilet na nakuta nagikan sa Agdaw. Agdaw ko. Taga-Davao. Ano yung message mo para sa taga-Agdaw, ma'am? Taga-Atuan.
Hoy, mga taga-Agdaw, bantay lang mo, ha? Zero ang kalaban, ha? Bantay lang.
Ma'am Manilet, paliw ko promote sa PDP, ma'am, na
PDP, syempre, tanan, maog yun ang, di ba, as initially yun si Vice President. Ayaw magbisita diri kung di mo mahimong senator. Straight ta PDP. Straight yung ta PDP. Ngano magkamali pa man ta o magsalig o kuan uban nakita man ta.
So much of my
Those people na ato ang giboto supposed to protect us, to protect the interest of the Filipinos, to protect the kwarta of the country. Wa naman. Nay naman.
Ma'am, sorry po to ask. Baka meron lang po kayong reaction sa comment po ng Palasyo ng Malacanang na sabi niya kay Attorney Kaufman, good luck daw para i-prove na innocent daw po si PRRD.
Ang ganda naman yung sinabi niya, good luck. Pero sabihin ko, God bless. Yung blessings na. Good luck is for the Walang Diyos yan eh. Pero ang sa atin, God bless. Sa mga ano yan, mga ganyan na tao yan. I don't think of them as tao. I don't think of them as tao.
Kailan po inaasahan po si Congressman Paulo, ma'am? Sabi po ni VP Sara parang pupunta rin daw po.
Naantay ko pa nga eh. Naantay ko.
Pag siya po ay pumunta, kayo po ay palit naman?
Oo, magsabay muna kami tapos mag-usapan pa natin. Salamat na.
Salamat po.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Ma'am, thank you ah.
Ma'am, God bless.
Hindi kayo makahingi ng birthday wish lang ha? Mabilis lang.
To, PRRD.
Sa'yo.
Ay, sorry.
Birthday mo. Ako na ma'am. Opo.
Sige, sir.
Ako na po hawak ma'am. Ay
Birthday
sige.
wish for myself.
For yourself.
So of course, my wishes are simple. I want good health and strength for my father. That goes for emotional strength, mental strength, and physical strength. And of course, just to be with my family. That is more than enough for me.
Yung birthday wish mo, hindi para sa sarili mo, para pa sa tatay mo.
Because he needs it more right now. So that's all I'm praying for right now, actually. Mostly for him. So that's all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Anong masabi doon sa mga US passport? Pati yun nag-viral pa.
I don't mind them actually.
Eh, totoo namang
I'm a Filipino citizen, so I don't have to. I don't think I don't have to explain since I'm a private citizen. So, yeah. Thank
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ilan taon ka na, ma'am?
I'm turning 21. Sir. Okay, maayong adlaw sa mga taga Davao del Norte and Davao de Oro. I am Veronica Duterte, daughter of former President Rodrigo Duterte. I want to extend my gratitude for the unwavering support you have shown, and hangyo ko nga magpadayon ta sa pagsuporta kay former President Rodrigo Duterte og dili ta muundang hantud sa makaulig siya. Daghang salamat from my family and I. Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan.